These days we get spoiled with tripods that have amazing features and they are lightweight, but not everyone wants to pay $600 or more on a tripod. Some people just need a tripod, a functional good old tripod that doesn't cost so much and it is durable. That is why I wanted to make this video, to help people decide on a good budget tripod. This tripod was sent to me by Sirui to make this video. I am not paid by them and they had no input on this video. I owned this tripod at one point and used it for a while, then upgraded to another Sirui tripod that I still own. I used Sirui tripods for many years and I love them, and this is such a nice and well-rounded tripod for beginners and people on a budget. First of all, it is very well built, it is sturdy, everything comes together nicely, you can feel how well it is built when you hold it. This is one of the reasons I like this tripod so much, it is very well built and you can trust it in any situation. The Sirui 7C has a nice height of 166 centimeters or 65.5 inches when you raise the center column to maximum, and with the ball head included, it is a bit taller. The 7C Traveler can support a maximum payload of 8 kilograms or 16.6 pounds. That means you can add with ease a DSLR with a 70-200 lens or a heavier camera with a big lens and any filters you need. The weight is also good, 1 kilogram and 570 grams or 3.46 pounds with the ball head and center column on. In my opinion, this is good for a tripod in this price range. The length of the 7C tripod folded is 48 centimeters or 19 inches. Again, good for a $160 tripod. There is also an aluminum version of this tripod, but I think carbon fiber is the way to go these days. It is lighter and handles vibrations a lot better than aluminum. Now, let's talk about features, and the first one I like is that you have two bubble heads, one on the ball head and one on the leg base. The ball head plate has this small lever here, so you won't need tools to screw on the plate to your camera, but if you want, you can also use a coin or an Allen key. You can use the ball head for horizontal or vertical panoramas with ease, not like on that expensive tripod from Peak Design. In case you want to use a video ball head or another ball head, it is very easy to change them, as you can see here. On the base, under this rubber gasket, you can find a 1/4 inch thread. Here you can add an extension arm or put your phone or a monitor. The rubber feet are removable because this tripod comes with stainless steel spikes that you can add when you are using the tripod on other terrains. One of the legs can be turned into a monopod, helpful if you are a beginner event photographer or videographer. You just unscrew it and add the head you want with the center column. The monopod leg and another have these foam grips on them so you can hold the tripod better. They also come in handy in colder conditions. The center column can be removed and turned upside down in case you want some low-angle shots. The base of the column is also an Allen key that can be used for some parts of the tripod. The legs have twist locks. Some people prefer these, some people prefer the switch ones. I prefer these. All my tripods have them. I just find them easier to use. The last part of the legs has some measurements on them that are very useful when you want to go back to a location and you want to get the same results. Overall, this is a great tripod for the money, super sturdy, it has all the features you actually need, the ball head is great, metal and sturdy, and some extra features that may come in handy in time. So if I had to start over, this would be my first tripod. So if you want to buy your first budget tripod, I highly recommend the 7C from Sirui. You can find discount codes for this tripod online and get it even cheaper. I have one in the description for Amazon Spain. If this video was helpful, subscribe, like, check out my older reviews and use the links in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you for watching, see you next time.